the condition, then, to which we are together moving, of traditionally called enlightenment, is the transcendence of the ego, which is replaced by a different condition. The prior state is superseded now. It's like what was the mind and the individual personal self dissolves into the infinite oneness. Thank you, Lord. This is now a different condition. So there's nobody who is enlightened. Nobody can become enlightened. There is no enlightened person at all. There's only a condition that replaces the personal, which is impersonal. And there is no person there to become enlightened or to be enlightened or to claim enlightenment. There's a condition that takes over, replaces what was before. It's like that which was before is melted into it. The divine all melts into it. It just melts into it, disappears by being at one with it. Oh, wow.